how to fix Discord loading chunk failed error message. So first you want to right click on the start button and click on run. Now you want to click type percentage app data percentage sign again, press enter, and it should open up this folder right here. Now you want to look for Discord folder, click on it. Now you want to right click and delete the cache folder right here. And if you can't delete the cache folder, that means Discord is already running. So you want to open up your task manager and look for Discord and right click on end task on it. Now you can try to delete these two folders, the cache and the code cache. Right click and delete, and try to launch Discord again as administrator. So you want to look for Discord and run as admin and wait for it to launch Discord. And if Discord opens up like that, that means the problem is fixed. Otherwise, if it still persists, here's what you can do. You want to close Discord fully again, right click and end task to kill Discord. Now you want to go back to this app data folder and instead try to delete the entire Discord folder. Then you want to right click on Discord again and try to launch the app again as administrator. And if the issue still persists, here's what you can do. Right click on start button and then open the run menu, and instead try to type percentage sign local app data percentage sign and press enter. Now you want to look for Discord folder in here, right click on it and delete the entire folder. Once it's deleted, you want to open up your browser and head to discord.com or simply type Discord download like this. Click on the first link and then click on download Discord for Windows or whatever platform you're using. And you want to click on download to start downloading the Discord setup. Once it's done, you want to run the installer to start reinstalling Discord again. And once it finishes installing, it should start up immediately. Otherwise, what you can do is look for Discord right here, right click on run as administrator and confirm it, and it should launch Discord like this. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.